Okay, so we want to find integration today, and we have to do by reversing the limit. Okay, so we have to follow some steps. Step one is first we will sketch the region. So here it is given the limit for x are y by 2 to 1. So looking at the question, y by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and the y limit is the outer limit, that is 0 less than y less than or equal to 2. Alright, so we will try to sketch it. So if I try to plot it, so we can see this is the line. This is representing line y equal to 2x, and this is representing line x equal to 1. So a region between that. So what we will do first is y equal to 2x. Okay. Then next is x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Alright. And then next is y equal to 0. This is representing y equal to 0 and y equal to 2. So region between that. So y equal to 0 is obviously this line, and y equal to 2 is this line. Alright. So which region we will select? So from here we can see that the lower end, if we try to plot the strip, so here the upper limit of x is the line x equal to 1. Okay. And so what we do here, we just see the question. So dx is appearing first. So we have to draw a strip which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. And we can see that the lower end is on the line x is equal to y by 2, and the upper end is on the line x is equal to 1. So the strip is between these two regions, and it will move up and down between 0 and 2. Okay. So this is our old strip. Okay. So we have to reverse the integration. So we have to take a new strip. So new strip will be just perpendicular to this. That will be our new strip. And we can see that the new strip is varying. The lower end is on the line y equal to 0, and the upper end is on the line y equal to 2x. Alright, and the x limit are varying between 0 and 1. So what we will write, 0 less than x less than or equal to 1, and for y 0 less than, so here y is 0, and the upper end is on the line y between 2x. Okay, so this is how we will get the new limits. So therefore our integration 0 to 2 y by 2 to 1 e raised to x square dx dy, that will become now. So always we keep the number things out, that is 0 to 1, 0 to 2x e raised to x square d. Now we will take dy dx because we have interchanged the limits. Alright, so this will be equal to 0 to 1, and this is integration with respect to y, so e raised to x square is constant, and integration 0 to 2x dy dx. And if we solve this further, if we check this limit, it will be 0 to 1 e raised to x square, and if we apply all the things, so 2x dx. Right. So now we are reduced to one variable thing. So after this, what we can do, so then we will put x square equal to t. That would imply x dx is 2x dx is equal to dt, and whatever limits are from 0 to 1. So therefore we will, so when x goes to 0, t will also go to 0, and when x goes to 1, t also goes to 1 from this. So therefore integration 0 to 1 e raised to x square 2x dx will become integration 0 to 1 e raised to t dt, and that is further nothing but e raised to t 0 to 1. Okay, so we can see here we are getting the same thing, and that will be nothing but e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0, or e minus 1. So that is the final answer. Okay.